Abeegi barikurenga omuri 17 bahindire omushome gw'okukunda eihanga ryabo ahari Bweranyangi na +2 High School omuri Bushenyi. Arikugamba aha mukoro gw'okusiibura Abeegi aba Bweranyangi Girls School kano Ndyamusiimanta ashabira Abeegi okureeba ngu bakwata kurungi emishomo yabo n'okukunda eihanga ryabo.
Your future begins now. Now, girls like you who are not educated will be picked by street men. Yes. Girls like you who are educated will make a choice of a man they want. A choice. By the way, men will come 100, 200, 500 and you will make a choice. So concentrate on education.
Of honor, thank you for coming to pass out these trainees. For the 3.5 days, these trainers have done good work in training 1,634 students. And here they are, and some members of staff.
Omuhezi wa Akadirisa bwa Bushenyi Williams Donanto asimira Abeegi ahabwa omutuma ogurikunda eihanga ryabo.
And all of us, we have witnessed this. All these students were physically fit. They were marching like real soldiers. And of course, very good commanders.
On that note, I thank the President of this nation, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for initiating this program of patriotism since 2009, that today we are here to witness the results of patriotism.
Abeegi basimire gavumenti ab'okutandikaho emishomo y'okukunda eihanga n'okwekunda nk'abantu.
The program has enabled the students develop love for their country, serve and be willing to die for their country, which is promising to the country's development.
Mazire bingi omukutraininga ebyo kukunda eihanga ryaitu kandi twegire bingi egire kukunda eihanga ryaitu kandi n'okurwanira kandi twayegana bingi.
Omugandi ori kuraba RDC muri Burengero Izoba kano Ndyamusiimanta agire ngo buri omwe ashemerire kukunda eihanga rye kandi akihaye kurufera abo kuba Uganda n'emoyo nkomunsi yona. Abeegi abamaze ebiro bine barikushomesebwa emyuga etari emwe n'emwe omuri okwekunda, okwerinda n'okukunda eihanga ryabo, okurwanisa oburo n'ebindi bingi.
Can we be Ugandans? Can we be Africans? Can we work hard? We must begin now. We must begin now.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya +2 High School ntumwebaze asimira enteekateeka ya gavumenti ey'okwegyesa Abeegi emishomo y'okukunda eihanga ryabo.
We have gone through these patriotism trainings in our youth time and we have benefited. This kind of training sharpens the minds of the youth, gives information, the details. Abaana ne bato munonga omwaka okureba turyantu numurwano politics okwe ninga numufane mukufana byo. Some of these or most of them tebakumanya Uganda niki rigire nkahi narizankahi kandi ryaza kuhikayo na haba hakozirwe ki.
Training is not easy, but here you have maneuvered throughout. I thank you for persevering and behaving very well.
This program, I'm sure, will go a long way in shaping and strengthening the future of the youth.
Abeegi Obwegyesiibwe omushomo gw'okukunda eihanga ryabo nabo basimire gavumenti.
Gain some skills through karate as being trained and also trains young soldiers.
Gavumenti ekatandika ehuriro y'okwegyesa abanyarwanda emyuga y'okukunda eihanga ryabo omu mwaka gw'2009 n'ekigendererwa ky'okugiraho abantu abaine obujunaanizibwa. Gashoka Abraham Muganza.